confirmed.
I was going to say a little rain can help knock some of the pollen off of trees, but we're not yet at the point in the year, Lainey, where everybody's car in the parking lot looks green, although I know those days are coming.
Oh yeah, pine trees. It won't be long before that happens. Right now it's mainly the maple, the elder, and the elm, I should say, and the cedar that are causing problems, and they're actually going to get knocked down a little bit, like you said, Kenny, in that moderate range over the next couple of days. That is thanks to a little bit of wet weather. It's going to be moving in, should be impacting you, your evening plans, some scattered showers around this evening, some wet roadways, and then the wind is going to be an issue. It'll be picking up with some wind gusts to 40, 55 miles an hour. We have an alert out from the mountains with a high wind warning, and in fact for our mountain towns, those gusts could get up to 55 miles an hour. Of course, winds like that could blow down trees, knock down tree limbs. Power lines could cause some spotty power outages. Travel could be difficult, especially if you're in a high-profile vehicle, if you're traveling in that north-south direction along I-77 here near the mountain ridges. So just keep that in mind. 9 o'clock tonight through early tomorrow morning. The warning is for Carroll as well as Grayson and Allegheny, and then we've got for Surrey and Wilkes a wind advisory. It's breezy with winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles an hour, but the strongest winds haven't arrived just yet. You'll notice just to our west, some of the gusts at close to 20 miles an hour in Jefferson, but the forecast, especially as we approach midnight and the early overnight, has those wind gusts really going up. So you've got some time between now and then to maybe move that patio furniture, trash cans, things like that that could blow about. We'll see some improvements by early tomorrow morning. We do have a little rain scattered about, most of this across the eastern Triad right now, so you're seeing some showers from Greensboro over to Burlington, also some wet weather a little farther to the south. So Sedalia out toward Mebane and Burlington, and then down south just east of High Rock Lake around the Denton community and Asheboro, some light to moderate rain right now. Our temperatures are in the 60s if you are south of the warm front, and if you are north of it, you didn't get that warm today. Real tricky kind of forecasting this. You can definitely tell where it is. We'll draw it out for you as well, and you see that line of wet weather that's moving in from the west. So that'll be kind of our main event. I don't know that everybody's going to get rain, but you have a chance for wet weather. Could have a few rumbles of thunder, though the severe weather should stay to our north and west. It's pretty active right now over parts of Ohio. That cold front has brought a lot of wind out west. It will bring a lot of wind our way as well. I do think between now and about 9 o'clock we'll have some showers around. We could have a couple of heavy downpours, a rumble of thunder possible. We're clearing out overnight. The wind is picking up as that front sweeps through. We've got sunshine in the forecast for you tomorrow. That'll take our temperatures into the 70s. So really nice Tuesday afternoon. Still a bit breezy. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. High temp about 74. And we'll get up to about 73 tomorrow afternoon in the foothills. And for the mountains, the wind's relaxing a little, but staying kind of breezy northwest at 10 to 15 with a high of 63 tomorrow afternoon. So we've got the impact for rain and wind tonight. Thursday and Friday could also be impact days for showers that are likely Thursday. We've got a strong cold front coming in on Friday with rain, wind, and the possibility for some thunderstorms with that. So here it is on your 7-day forecast. Some warm afternoons in the 70s between now and Thursday, and then we'll cool back down to more seasonable early March numbers for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 50s and nights in the 30s.